Alright, what's up, YouTube? I'm going to be going over my trade today. Went break even, so unfortunately I couldn't lock in any profits. We ended up actually going to one of my take profits after we hit break even. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. After that first take profit, we went straight down. So I'm kind of happy that break even happened. Got me out of the market. I could continue with my day. So doesn't really matter. Anyway, let's mark out my levels that I had earlier today. My highs and lows and whatnot. Obviously, we had that new week opening gap. So I was ready to target that, but I wasn't locked in on it. Because we also have this last little low resistance weekly low that I'm also expecting price to go down and sweep out before we go higher. However, our draws to the upside just looked so good. Plus, when market opened, we broke structure to the upside. Market opened, broke structure on the 5 minute. Right here. We change this. Where's market open? Yeah, so we broke this high right here. Actually, it looks like we broke it pre-market on NASDAQ. And then we shot up at market open, creating a nice fair value gap right here. Once I saw that, and I saw we retested into it, and we came into 5 minute equilibrium. Once I saw that, and I saw an inversion out of it, I entered long, and I was targeting a lot of highs. So this is where I entered, right here, off this inversion. I got filled like a little down here, probably right there. This was my break even. Right here, break even. I use the same strategy as TJR, except we do some things differently. Usually his first take profit is where my break even is, because I like to target higher RR than he usually does. It's all preference. But my first take profit was right here. Sorry, my first take profit was right here. Obviously, we came to my break even point and then came right back down, so I couldn't take profit, unfortunately. My stop was right here. So if I didn't get break even, if I didn't go break even right here, I would have actually hit TP1. However, in my strategy, I go break even at the first 5 minute high. And most of the time it works out. Today it didn't. Unfortunate is what it is. Super simple day. I didn't really have to even go on ES today because I wasn't looking for a SMT. As soon as we broke structure on the 5 minute and made that gap and then retested it, I didn't need an SMT. Of course, if we had one bearish, I would have been scared, or it might have made me want to go short. But either way, we would have gotten stopped out if we went short. Unless we went short on ES, we might have hit a take profit, but I highly doubt it. Anyway, this is the trade. Nice break even trade. I'm releasing some new videos for beginners, talking about candlesticks, what is trading. The next video will probably be about liquidity. Yeah, if you're a beginner, tune into that. It'll be very helpful. All right, see you guys tomorrow.